Hello there, my name is Mustufa Dosani and I am currently preparing for IIT JAM physics exam. So recently I was enrolled in the Project Bhagwati's Quantum Physics course, and I will share you some things which I have observed in that course. So Nisar was taking all the lectures of the quantum physics class, and one special thing about Nisar's teaching is that he starts teaching from at the core of the subject. Like the course was on the quantum physics, but he actually started from the classical mechanics, then gradually developed some mathematics, and then we went to the quantum physics. And some lectures were even that it gave me literally it literally gave me the goosebumps in the lecture. Like those lectures were that fantastic. So it was the experience was very good. And before the Project Bhagwati's IIT JAM course, Project Bhagwati's quantum physics course, I was also enrolled in the its IIT JAM course. So in the IIT JAM course, it was between Nisarg and me. It was more like teacher student relation. But in the quantum physics course, it was more like a friend to friend conversation. Like my friend explaining me to the day before the exam. So it was like that conversation. So the one thing I observed is that the friendly behavior, not just me, but the all the to all the participants. And at the end of the course, it was more like the relationship was built that it was more like the all participants are more like a family to me. So this was it. And the uh, not just we discussed about the quantum physics course, but we also discussed about the learnings of life. Like if we have some problems, not the physics problem, but the problems of life. So we also discussed the psychological reason about the that problem of life. And if you are comfortable, you are welcome to give a talk on the Project Bhagwati stage. So this was it. And it was very fantastic course. Some course literally gave me goosebumps. uh, some lectures literally gave me goosebumps during the lecture. And it was very good. So I would definitely suggest that you should dedicate your time with Project Bhagwati.